From the heart of Africa, a continent rich in natural resources, comes the power that fuels our modern world. This is the story of how Africa's immense wealth shapes the global economy, a narrative often hidden in plain sight. For centuries, the world has looked to Africa as a source of essential materials. Today, that dependency is greater than ever. The continent holds a significant portion of the world's most critical resources. Over 90% of the world's platinum and cobalt, essential for electronics and renewable energy, are found here. Africa also provides about half of the world's diamonds and manganese, and a fifth of its gold and uranium. But it doesn't stop there. The oil and gas that heat our homes and power our vehicles flow from vast reserves in countries like Nigeria and Angola. The cocoa that becomes our favorite chocolate is harvested from the fields of Ghana and Côte d'Ivoire. The coffee that starts our day is grown on the highlands of Ethiopia and Kenya. And the lithium and rare earth minerals, the lifeblood of our smartphones, electric cars, and advanced technology, are extracted from its ancient soils. The journey of these resources is a global one. It begins with the hard work of African miners, farmers, and oil workers. From deep within the earth and from the fertile topsoil, these materials are carefully extracted. They are then transported to bustling ports, loaded onto massive cargo ships that traverse the world's oceans. These ships carry Africa's wealth to refineries, factories, and assembly lines across the globe. In these distant lands, African resources are transformed. Crude oil becomes gasoline. Raw cobalt is refined for high-capacity batteries. Cocoa beans are processed into chocolate bars. And rare earth minerals are integrated into the complex circuits of our most advanced gadgets. Every time you turn on a light, drive your car, or use your phone, you are connected to this intricate global supply chain, a chain that begins on African soil. This flow of resources has created a world of unprecedented technological advancement and economic growth. Global industries, from automotive to aerospace, from technology to energy, rely heavily on a steady supply of materials from Africa. The continent is not just a participant in the global economy. In many ways, it is its foundational engine. The global infrastructure we take for granted, the power grids, the communication networks, the transportation systems, is built upon the natural wealth of Africa. However, this story of global prosperity has another side. While Africa's resources power the world, the benefits don't always flow back to the communities where they originate. The immense labor required to extract these materials often comes with significant challenges. We see the environmental impact on landscapes, the intense physical demands on workers, and the persistent economic disparities that leave many local populations struggling. The contrast is stark. The world enjoys the fruits of Africa's bounty, while many of the people who live above this wealth face daily hardships. This paradox raises important questions about fairness, value, and the true cost of our modern lifestyle. It's a complex picture, one without simple answers or easy villains. It is the reality of a deeply interconnected world, where prosperity in one region is inextricably linked to the resources of another. As we look at the breathtaking beauty of Africa's diverse landscapes, from its vast deserts to its lush forests, from its vibrant cities to its serene coastlines, we are reminded of its immense potential. The continent's story is still being written. The natural wealth is undeniable, a gift from the earth that has shaped human history. Yet, a fundamental question remains: if Africa powers the world, why does the continent still struggle?